I've been exploring the US Bank Secured Visa credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review of it. I'll walk through the key features, potential downsides, and important things to consider, so by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how this credit card actually works. If you are new to credit or trying to rebuild after mistakes, secured cards are usually the first step. With this card, you place a refundable security deposit starting at $300, and that amount typically becomes your credit limit. The big advantage is control. You can deposit up to $5,000, which means you decide how much credit line you want to report. One of the strongest positives is that US Bank reports to all three major credit bureaus. That matters because consistent on-time payments and low balances can gradually raise your score. The card also has no annual fee, which immediately makes it more competitive than several secured cards that charge simply for existing. Another nice detail is the potential upgrade path. After responsible use, US Bank may review the account for graduation to an unsecured card, which means your deposit could be returned without closing the account. Keeping the same account open helps your credit history length. But the card is not perfect. There is no rewards program here, which feels a little outdated in 2026 when even some secured cards offer small cashback rates. The variable APR is also fairly high, so carrying a balance can become expensive quickly. Approval can also be stricter than some beginner cards. US Bank still checks your credit report and banking history, so it is not always as easy to get as some entry-level secured cards from fintech issuers. Overall, the US Bank Secured Visa credit card is a solid, no-gimmicks tool for building credit. It lacks rewards and flashy perks, but the no annual fee structure, flexible deposit, and real graduation potential make it a practical choice if your main goal is improving your credit profile. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.